Hey y'all, welcome back to a Shein haul. We have like a medium, I guess you can say, Shein haul. We got some really cute stuff to, go over. So let's just go ahead and get right to it, okay? All right, y'all. So I have this cute pajama set. It has a robe and then it comes with, the cute little dress. Real cute, real cute. I just like to look cute when I go to bed. You know what I'm saying? And then I need some more hoodies. So I just bought this hoodie. Real cute, soft material. Very comfortable. I will be getting more colors for sure. But you got to start off with the basics. Got to get a cute little green. Hair on point. Freshly washed. Look at you. Look at you. Let's keep going. Now we have another one. I believe this is a top. Let's see. Yes, it is. Cute black top. Really a fall, spring type of top. I thought it was really cute. And then this is my favorite shirt out of all of them, y'all. This is my very favorite one. And it's my favorite color. Look at the blue. Look at the royal. Look at the royal blue. It is so cute. That's my favorite t-shirt out of this entire haul. I love the details. It's different. And that's the type of outfits I like. I like stuff that's just different. I don't want the same stuff. Next, we got a cute bonnet. This is like the third or fourth one. But I don't have the string part. So I'm going to go ahead and get that one. And then I have a ankle bracelet, I believe. And a regular bracelet. Real cute. And my Pandora bracelet broke, so I bought another one. And I was very disappointed because I bought this bag already, but I did not know this was the same bag. That's why my face is looking like this. But I mean, it's cute. So I mean, when the other one get a little rusty, a little dusty, I can just replace it with this. But and then the very last thing, I thought I was done, but I forgot I ordered some pants. So let's get into the pants, y'all. Get into it. Get into in the length. Look, it's just, it does the body well. It does the body good. It's comfy. It's stretchy. It's not too tight. It's not uncomfortable. Like, it fits really good. And body is just tea. I'm sorry. But yes, y'all, that concludes the Shein haul. I'll see y'all next week. Okay, bye, y'all. Oh, she's so cute. Damn.